Guys, I welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakubra here. I'm reaching you from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys the new payment method on Pinduoduo without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. And if you are very new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about China importation and some other country importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to learn on how you too can be a successful procurement agent, or you want to learn how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want to learn how you can procure by yourself without using any agent, feel free to connect with me on WhatsApp. Here's the number on the screen right here. If you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can as well connect with me for any importation related issue. Connect with me on WhatsApp if you are interested in any of my services. So guys, without wasting much of our time, let me quickly show you guys a new easy payment method on Pinduoduo without any stress. So let's get started. So I'm going to head over to my Pinduoduo, right? Here we go. So this is my Pinduoduo app. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so when you open up your Pinduoduo app, then you can decide to, though there are different means of payment on Pinduoduo app, but there are some that is much convenient for foreigners, where there are some that are much convenient for Chinese citizens. But in this video, recently, Pinduoduo just had a new payment method, which is using of MasterCard or Visa card. So let me quickly show you on how you guys can bind the card and how you can use it to make payment to Chinese supplier. But if that is not work for you, kindly go for Alipay payment method or Alipay payment third pass. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down low. Let's say we need to buy this product. Let's say you want to buy this particular product right here. So if you click on the product link, it's open up in a new page, and for you to make payment, click on here. Okay, so you can see the price of the product is 9.9 RMB. So when you get to this point, this is where you select the sizes and the color, etc. So you can decide to choose on the color. You can see I changed the color, and I'm choosing this size right. Now you want to make payments. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys a new method of payments on Pinduoduo. So you have to click on here now. You click on here, you can see MasterCard or Visa. So this is to tell you that Pinduoduo has added new means of payment or new means of payment by using your Visa card or MasterCard. So when it open up this way, click on here to see more information about it. Okay. So when you click on that, it open up this way. Then the next step you have to take is to tap on here. Okay, you tap on here. It means that you want to pay with your card. So you can see the option has changed to card payment. So you have to click on here now to pay with your card. So I'm paying the sum of 16.9 RMB for this particular single product. So it's going to connect to your card. Then you can enter your card information to make payment. So it's open up this way. Okay, so what you need to do next is that, okay, so right here you need to click on here to add your card information. So I'm going to click on that. So you can see the notification. But one thing about this card payment option is that it only works for people that have a Chinese bank card. So you have to select your, right here, you have to enter your card information right here. Sorry, so I don't want to disclose the information right here. So you enter your card information. So when you enter your card information, then you have to choose your card, your bank holder card. So I'm choosing this bank right here. So when you choose your bank, and then you have to scroll down and enter your card detail. So when you enter your card detail, they're going to bind the card together with your Pinduoduo app. Then from there, you can pay direct from your bank card. But nevertheless, if you don't have a Chinese bank card and you still want to pay your supplier on Pinduoduo, you can easily go back and use another means of payment method, which is Alipay, or using